Today, we're diving into something powerful, 13 money rules that made me so rich. Now, these aren't just tips. They're principles that, if you apply them, can completely transform your financial life. But before we get started, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Every click helps us keep bringing you valuable content that makes a real difference, and it truly means a lot to us. All right, let's get into it. Rule number 1. Always pay yourself first. This rule is the cornerstone of personal finance. Paying yourself first means setting aside a portion of your income for savings or investments before paying any other expenses. Many financial experts recommend setting aside at least 20% of your income. This practice ensures that your financial future is secured first, rather than spending what's left after covering expenses. By establishing this habit, you're treating saving as a non-negotiable expense rather than an afterthought. Over time, the amount you save will grow significantly, leading to financial freedom and stability. Paying yourself first isn't just a practice, it's a commitment to your future self. Imagine you earn $5,000 a month. By paying yourself first and setting aside 20% or $1,000 every month, you'll accumulate $12,000 by the end of the year. Compounded over years, this amount could turn into a significant sum. Rule number 2. Spend less than you earn. Spending less than you earn is essential for avoiding debt and building wealth. This requires creating a budget and monitoring your expenses closely. By tracking your spending, you can identify areas where you can cut back and prioritize what's truly important. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where their spending increases as their income grows. But the wealthy avoid this trap by maintaining a disciplined approach to spending. They consciously live below their means, ensuring they always have a surplus that can be directed toward savings and investments. If you receive a raise rather than upgrading your lifestyle, consider maintaining your current spending level and using the extra income to boost your savings or investments. Rule number 3. Invest early and consistently. One of the most powerful principles in wealth building is investing consistently over time. Starting early, even with small amounts, allows your money to benefit from compounding interest. Compounding means earning returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the returns from previous periods. The longer your money has to compound, the greater the growth potential. Wealthy individuals understand this and make investing a priority. Whether it's through stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, the key is to invest a portion of your income consistently and let time work in your favor. Let's say you invest $200 per month from the age of 25 at an annual return of 8%. By age 65, your investment could grow to over $600,000 thanks to compound interest. Rule number 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. Debt can be a double-edged sword. While some types of debt, like a mortgage or a business loan, can be considered good debt when used to acquire appreciating assets, high-interest consumer debt, like credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control. Wealthy individuals avoid or pay off unnecessary debt as quickly as possible, particularly high-interest debt. They focus on building their net worth rather than accumulating liabilities. Avoiding debt not only improves cash flow, but also reduces financial stress, allowing you to focus on wealth-building activities instead of paying down debt. For example, instead of financing purchases with a credit card, consider saving up for larger expenses or using a low-interest loan for significant purchases, such as a home or business equipment, which can yield long-term benefits. Rule number 5. Focus on increasing your income. While saving and budgeting are essential, there's a limit to how much you can cut back on expenses. Wealthy people know that growing their income is just as important as managing expenses. There are many ways to increase income, such as advancing in your career, investing in skills, starting a side hustle, or investing in businesses. The wealthy often diversify their income streams to create multiple sources of cash flow. By focusing on ways to expand their earning potential, they build a more secure and robust financial foundation, allowing them to invest more and grow their wealth faster. For example, Developing an in-demand skill, such as coding or project management, can increase your market value and earning potential over time. Rule number 6. Diversify your investments. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce exposure to any single asset. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of diversification, as it helps protect their portfolio from significant losses if one asset performs poorly. This approach provides a balanced mix of risk and reward, allowing for steady growth over the long term. By diversifying, you minimize the impact of market fluctuations on your wealth and create a more resilient portfolio. For example, if the stock market takes a downturn, your investments in bonds or real estate might still generate income, reducing the overall impact on your portfolio. Rule number 7. Live below your means. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself, but rather being mindful and intentional with your spending. Wealthy individuals often practice frugality, meaning they only spend money on what truly adds value to their lives. This doesn't mean they don't enjoy luxuries. It just means they're strategic about where their money goes. By living below their means, they free up more money to invest and grow their wealth, while also avoiding the stress of paycheck-to-paycheck living. This mindset of financial prudence becomes a valuable tool for accumulating and sustaining wealth. For example, many billionaires like Warren Buffett live in the same homes they bought decades ago, showing that living modestly is a long-term wealth strategy. Rule number 8. Prioritize financial education. Understanding the intricacies of finance gives wealthy people a significant advantage. Financial education includes learning about topics like investing, taxes, budgeting, and economic trends. By continuously educating themselves, wealthy individuals make informed financial decisions that maximize returns and minimize risks. Staying updated on financial knowledge helps them navigate economic cycles, make sound investments, and identify opportunities for growth. Financial literacy isn't something you acquire once. It's a lifelong journey that empowers you to take control of your finances. For example, regularly reading books on finance, following economic news, and even taking online courses can increase your understanding of how to grow and protect your wealth. Rule number 9. Have an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. Life is unpredictable, and emergencies like medical expenses, job loss, or car repairs can strain finances if you're not prepared. Wealthy individuals typically set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid, easily accessible account. This emergency fund allows them to avoid high-interest debt when unexpected expenses arise. Having this buffer protects your wealth, providing peace of mind and financial stability even in challenging times. For example, keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account where it earns interest but is still easily accessible if needed. Rule number 10. Set clear financial goals. Goal setting is essential for directing your efforts and staying motivated. Wealthy individuals often set SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals to guide their financial journey. Whether it's saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or achieving a specific net worth, having clear goals helps you focus on actions that move you closer to those objectives. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals also keeps you aligned with your financial aspirations and ensures steady progress. For example, instead of a vague goal like "I want to save more," a SMART goal would be, "I will save $10,000 for a down payment within the next 12 months by setting aside $833 each month." Rule number 11. Reinvest profits. Reinvestment is a powerful strategy that the wealthy use to grow their wealth exponentially. Rather than spending profits or dividends, they reinvest them into their businesses or investment portfolios. This approach maximizes the compounding effect, allowing money to grow at a faster rate. Reinvestment can take many forms, such as putting dividends back into stocks, reinvesting business profits to expand operations, or using rental income to buy additional properties. For example, if you receive a $1,000 dividend from stocks, Reinvesting it instead of spending it allows that money to continue generating returns and accelerating your wealth. Rule number 12. Protect your wealth with insurance. Wealth protection is a crucial but often overlooked aspect of financial planning. Insurance protects against life's uncertainties by covering unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies, property damage, or legal liabilities. Wealthy individuals use various insurance policies, health, property, life, and liability insurance, to safeguard their assets. This minimizes the risk of significant financial loss and provides a financial backup plan that ensures their wealth remains intact even during unforeseen events. For example, health insurance might seem costly, but an unexpected medical emergency can result in overwhelming expenses without it. Rule number 13. Give back. Giving back is a principle embraced by many of the wealthiest individuals. Philanthropy, charity, and community involvement create a sense of purpose and satisfaction that goes beyond personal gain. Many wealthy people believe that generosity brings abundance, as helping others can lead to valuable connections, increased happiness, and even new opportunities. Giving back also fosters a mindset of abundance and gratitude, which is crucial for long-term financial health. For example, donating a portion of your income to causes you care about not only makes a positive impact, but can also provide tax benefits, making it a win-win. And there you have it, 13 wealth-building rules that have transformed lives. By incorporating these principles, you're not just managing money, you're building a legacy. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, take a moment to subscribe. Let's keep learning and growing together. Thank you for watching, and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom.